So I spent about 33 years invested in this industry. Went to school in TSTI Waco, and from there I went on to running commercial laboratories in Dallas, Texas. Spent about 20 years owning my own laboratory, which was a great experience to be able to grow a lab from the ground up, and then went on to going to advanced education courses like LVI, Pankey, Dawson, which I recently graduated from. It's allowed me to be able to look through the scope of a dentist and the clinical background that they have and share my experience with the team in the laboratory. Understanding that those are the things that really set us apart with regards to all of the functional and aesthetic philosophies that are taught at these continuing education institutes. So the DenMat laboratory is a very unique lab setting. To me, it's a niche market, and it has a lot to offer with professional products and the laboratory to support it. In my eyes, we have a different setting of a lab background with a team of experts that specialize in complex cases, luminaires, minimally invasive veneers, and it's changed, to me, it's changed the dynamics of what we do in the lab industry. I've attended some CE courses here, which changed my perspective on really the outcome of a veneer and the treatment plan aspect. So it's a unique market that we serve, and I don't know of any lab that's like it. So when you think about DenMat, you think about innovation. And to me, innovation starts with art. So the art process actually takes the guessing out of the prep process. And so there's really no guessing with regards to this unique way of doing it. We actually have the templates that the doctor will sit in the patient's mouth and actually strategically mark exactly where we need to reduce some enamel. And so really there's no guessing in this. It's actually just taking this process and going to finish. Along with creating the templates, there is a approval process, which basically is once we design the case, the doctor will sit down and approve it, sometimes with the patient, and then from there we can actually create a template that can help with creating provisionals. And this is important because then the patient actually gets to test drive a prototype of what their final smile will look like. And from there we can actually go into finishing the case.